If you're planning to buy guest posts or backlinks, this video will show you how to use Adsy the right way. I'll be walking you through everything from a real buyer's perspective, and I'm going to share my honest review here. Most buyers struggle with slow outreach, unclear pricing, and low quality links. That's exactly why platforms like Adsy exist. It simplifies the entire guest posting process. I started using Adsy because I wanted speed, transparency, and control without chasing site owners. There's no more negotiating manually or waiting weeks for a response from site owners. Let's look at a real purchase example to see how the metrics actually play out. I bought a guest post through Adsy on vpneer.net for just $32. That site has over 30,000 monthly traffic and a solid domain rating of 43. For buyers, this matters because you see traffic and pricing before you spend money. Knowing these metrics upfront dramatically reduces your risk of buying low-quality links. Now, I want to share my buying guide with you so that you can navigate the platform safely. Step 1. Always prioritize real organic traffic over just looking at the domain rating. Organic traffic is the best indicator of whether Google actually trusts the site. Step 2. Choose sites that match your niche. Relevance matters more than high numbers. A relevant link from a smaller site is often more valuable than a generic high DR link. Step 3. Compare price with traffic and DR to ensure you're getting actual value. Sometimes a $30 post on a real site beats a $200 link on a weak one. Step 4. Use natural anchor text and control your content quality carefully. I recommend providing your own content or requesting high-quality editorial-style articles. From a buyer's perspective, Adsy's biggest strengths are transparent metrics and affordable posts. You also get incredibly fast placements without the hassle of manual outreach. Now, let's be honest about the downsides. There are no refunds once a post is placed. Pricing is publisher controlled, and you must manually review every site before buying. If you follow the guide I shared, Adsy can be a truly powerful link building tool for your business. If you think this video is helpful, please write thanks in the comment box right now. If you have any questions about Adsy, just ask me by commenting below and I'll answer. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video with other marketers. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.